Are you one of the many looking forward to studying abroad? Then you're at the right place. Hello everybody, welcome to Leap Scholar, India's largest study abroad platform. Subscribe to our channel and fulfill your study abroad dream. In this video, let's discuss the step-by-step process of studying abroad irrespective of the country. Studying abroad is a streamlined process. The first step in this process is research. The primary issue that students face is which country to choose. There is USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Germany and many more. Research on which university fits your course better and seek help from the alumni. Think about your priorities. University ranking, course ranking, quality of research, placement statistics and course structure. Every university website has their university ranking along with their international student ratio. The goal of studying abroad is to get good job opportunities. So a university with the top QS world ranking is preferred. Choosing a good university or a good country doesn't just stop there. Never forget to check out the part-time work hours, PR, scholarships, tuition fees and student visa turnaround time. Climatic conditions should be considered while choosing a university. Some countries have a cold weather while some have a hot weather. The most important part of research is the cost of living. If your university is in a metropolitan city, then the cost of living will be high. The next step is counseling with the experts. A greater number of international students study in the USA than other countries. But at the same time, Canada is no less of an option because it stands in the top 10 countries of the United Nations in the Quality of Life Index. So, which country to choose from? The decision isn't student-oriented. You need experts from the field to help advise you. So, when you reach out to Leap Finance, our experts will help you guide to your destination. Whether it's about choosing the best education loan or the best course, Leap Finance is your one-stop destination. This brings us to our next step, test preparation. There are various entrance examinations like IELTS or International English Language Testing System, TOEFL or a test of English as a foreign language, PTE, Pearson test, GMAT, Graduate Management Admissions Test, GRE, Graduate Record Examination and SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test. In most cases, you have to appear for IELTS or TOEFL. You have to get a minimum of 6.5 in IELTS and 80 in TOEFL. Refer to online tutorials and videos to get an idea about the examinations and estimate how much you will score by writing mock tests. This brings us to our next point. Application letters and universities. Before starting the whole process of universities, keep a track on college applications. Every university has a deadline to submit the application letter. Before selecting a university, make sure that it is a DLI. So what is DLI? DLI is an institution or an education provider which has been set up as a COVID-19 plan in the territory. Canada has this new rule after COVID-19. So research on it. Check on your grades before aspiring to get into a university. After you make the choice of a course and a university, our experts from Leap Finance will help you secure a good position. At this point, your proficiency exam scores will be needed as universities take that into consideration. The next step is deciding the universities. By now, you might have shortlisted universities and you might have a lot of applications. Remember, the more applications you have, the more application fees you will have to pay. So, track your applications. Take help from a counselor or an alumni and take their suggestions. This will help you in finalizing a university. Next is university interviews. Seek help from a senior of the university and ask them to advise you and give you tips. Also, prepare a draft of questions so that you are better prepared. After you apply and the universities roll out their results, the next step is scholarships. To attract international students, The government and universities offer scholarship. The details of the scholarships are available on the university website itself. These scholarships might not cover your complete financial aid. If scholarships are not your case, then education loan is your only choice. Once you complete the process of admission, the next step is student visa. The international students have to submit the application for student visa to the respective immigration services of the country. The immigration services have the full authority to grant or deny your application. So, take guidance from your experts on visa. When it comes to US, there is the F1J1 and M1 visa, whereas in Canada and UK, the process is not much typical. We hope that you found the information useful, and if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe.